How many of y'all love red vintage trucks? I know I'm not the only one. Oh my gosh, the vintage truck. They've been around for a little while, obviously, hence the name vintage. But I am still just gaga over them. Anyways, they can be painted any color you'd like, but the vintage red truck seems to be the hot item still to this day. So I'm going to paint mine up red. I'm going to do a little bit of white here on my, I wanted to say bumper sticker, but license plate. And then I've got these adorable marshmallows, and I'm going to paint those up white as well. Now, this vintage truck is not just an ordinary vintage truck. It is a gift card holder. And y'all, I love gift card holders. Oh my gosh, they've made them so adorable. I remember back in the day, my mom used to give them to the teen kids, right? Because she never knew what to get the grandkids once they hit teenage years. They're never truly appreciative of, that new sweater. So she would give them gift cards so they could go shopping and get the deals after Christmas, right? And they would come in cute little tins. But oh my gosh, these would have been so special to have been made by grandma. And then you could hang them on your tree year after year after year. So I'm just saying, great gift for your teens in your family. Another idea is Secret Sisters. I don't know if anybody does those anymore. The Secret Sisters or the Secret Santas. We used to do them in church as Secret Sisters. And of course, through school and stuff, they were Secret Santas or just amongst friends. These are a great way to do them. Now, maybe the secret's out once they realize you are a crafter, hence the crafting. I don't know. But I just thought it'd be a fun way. Right now, if you're curious, I am taking a silver marker. It's almost looking black on here, but it is so metallic silver. I bought them off of Amazon, and I absolutely love them. They're actually, I think, called a chrome marker. For some reason, it's really turning up a black in here, but it's going to make a great bumper. And the same way, it's really reflective in real life, but right now it's looking like I'm painting my mirrors black. So trust me, they're not. It's just something to do with the chrome marker. I tried changing the lighting a bit and it just wasn't showing up well on the camera. But, I love these. I've got a few different ones. We will be selling some finished ones and as well as some unfinished ones on the next auction. You'll have to check us out over on Facebook for that. They are so cute. So the taillights are red, but they're not going to show up all that well. So I kind of did a white outline around them and just a little bit of like tickety-tick lines in there. I don't know what to say. Just reflective little lines. Here, let me see if I can go in closer. Okay, here we go. So you can see I'm just drawing the outline, a little tickety-tick-tick-tick with the little white marker. I don't know how else to explain it. And then I'm going to color in the up above ones in white as well. They're just kind of like your running lights. And I think they're white. I'd have to go out and look at the back of my vehicle, but I'm pretty sure they're white. Let me know in the comments. Should they be white or should they have been a different color? But I think it's white. All right. So, who is your hard person to shop for this year? With this, won't be a hard shopper. Just saying. Oh, I love them so much. Okay, I'm going to take a black Posca and I'm just going to paint in the tires here. I go a little bit into the bumper area because the bumper is going to cover it, but this way, if anything shows, it's going to be black, okay? So if you don't know what a Posca marker is, Posca, they are an acrylic paint marker. Absolutely fabulous. They come in all different tips. So you can get round bullet tips. You can get flat tips. You can get like a pen tip. Oh my gosh. These markers are the best. I tell you, I have tried so many acrylic markers and Poscas are the ones that I absolutely adore. You can check them out on my Amazon store. The link is in the description down below. And now we're just going to put the tailgate on, which I just painted in white. Now you can see these score lines. That is so that you can line up your hot cocoa letters. So we're just going to add a little stick fast on there. That was a little off screen. Again, with the stick fast on the word hot. And we're going to apply that. Now I've said in many videos before, if you are buying stick fast glue, absolutely favorite glue for doing these wood projects. However, make sure you buy thick. The thin one, that was my first mistake and my worst mistake. I cut it out and I applied it and it poured out like water. I have no idea what you use that for, but not these kind of projects and not for this kind of girl. Then I quickly went up to medium because thick sounded like it'd be really, really thick. Thick is perfect. Medium was still too watery. Now I'm taking some brown paint and I'm just going to finger paint it onto this little board. I wasn't sure what color to do it. I thought about doing like a whitewash on it, but vintage truck I think is typically a wood stain. So that's what I went back and added a little brown just with my fingers, just so I could have done it with a baby wipe, but anyone that follows my page, you know, for some reason I love to get my fingers into paint. I do it all the time. So just a light coat of finger painting here. And then we're going to use some stick fast and get this applied. There we go. Looking good. So this piece goes down first and you can see the score line. Then you're going to apply your marshmallows. Put a little bit of glue just along the bottom because as you can tell there's a window there and there's no point in putting glue up there. And then we're going to take that little board frame and kind of put that on top so it looks like it's holding them in. Okay, now let's add those adorable carrots. I think that's what really makes those marshmallows pop for some reason. Ah, so cute. Okay, you gotta admit that's adorable. Next, we're going to add some more stick fast glue to this frame here. This is the part that's gonna hold your gift card. And remember, no matter how cute it looks, don't go sticking your gift card in there for at least 24 hours. You would hate for it to be stuck permanently in there, especially with stick fast glue. Then a little more glue on this side, and then you just apply it to the back of the truck, and it all lines up so perfectly. All right, let's do another one of those adorable fork bows that you know I love because I'm not very good at bows. You're going to hold the ribbon in behind, wrap it around the 4 prongs, take your ribbon and kind of poke it between the center, and then pull it straight up and over, flip over your fork, and tie a little knot. It's so easy. When you first look at it, you're like, I can do that. Then you go to try it and you're kind of like, oh, I don't know. It's not quite right. Trust me, give it a couple tries. You're going to love this. You'll be so caught on to these. I know. I would never even try to do a tiny bow now. Not without a fork. All right. Look how cute that is. Ta-da! I added some beads and wowzas. It's adorable. Come on. You can't get a better gift card holder than that.